Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we are going to do today Herzlich expression E2 level speaking skills, and the topic is Wie müssten Sie gern wohnen. It is expression Teil for E2 level. All those who are in E2 level and they want to give German examination speaking skills. So this is very important for you. Herzlich expression, and this is the topic Wie müssten Sie gern wohnen. How would you like to live? Wie müssten Sie gern wohnen. Here you can write Großstadt. Would you like to live in a big city, Großstadt, or would you like to live in a Dorf? Dorf means village, in a village, or would you like to live alone, allein, or Zimmer? How many rooms you want? If you have big family or a small family, okay. And Haustiere, would you like to have Haustiere? So these points will be given to you. Okay, this is the format. This you will get all. Okay, this is point 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You will get these points, and you have to speak about this. Wie müssten Sie gern wohnen? This is the topic. Wie müssten Sie gern wohnen? Then you will start first of all that ich möchte in einer Großstadt wohnen. I change the page. Ich möchte in einer Großstadt wohnen. I would like to live in a big city. In einer Großstadt wohnen. Ich möchte in einer Großstadt wohnen. In einer großen Stadt. Ich möchte in einer großen Stadt wohnen. I would like to live in a big city. Okay? And then you can say, das gefällt mir. I like it. It appeals me. Ensure that you make simple sentences. Okay? And don't make so many mistakes. Das gefällt mir. Ich möchte mit meiner Familie wohnen, with my family, not alone, mit meiner Familie wohnen, mit meiner Familie wohnen. And then you will say, ja, ich möchte gern Haustier, ja, ich möchte, I would like to have a pet, ich möchte gern ein Haustier, and then you can give the name, what it is. Ich möchte gern ein Haustier. So this is the simple way you can explain yourself. Basically, you need to explain yourself. How will you explain yourself? Ja, ich möchte gern ein Haustier haben. Ich möchte einen Hund haben. Ich möchte einen Hund haben. Einen Hund. Akkusativ. So this is accusative sentence. So ensure that you write this kind of sentence. You speak. Basically, you have to speak about this. So be very clear and do not make so many mistakes. So this is perfect. You can speak like this. There is not any problem. And you will easily say. So there are a few points that you will speak in this Herzlich expression, speaking skills E2 level German. So wie möchten Sie gern wohnen? How would you like to live? आप कैसे रहना चाहते हो? फैमिली के साथ, बिग सिटी में, विलेज में, हाउस टियर के साथ, कैसे आपको अच्छा लगता है? आप अपनी विश बताओगे, okay? और möchten Sie in einer Wohnung wohnen oder in einer, okay, in Wohnung oder in Haus, you know? There is a difference, Wohnung or house. House और Wohnung में different होता है. Wohnung means flats. There are so many flats. Like there are so many flats here. Multi-story building. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on which floor you would like to live? 1, 2, 3 or 4. House is just generally a big house, and it can be on ground floor, or it can have balcony, or just it's all belong to you. This is a house. So there is a difference between house and Wohnung. So where would you like to live? Möchten Sie in Wohnung wohnen oder in Haus wohnen? You have to explain. आप कहाँ रहना चाहते हो? Where would you like to live? In Haus oder in Wohnung? Das ist sehr wichtig. It's also very important. Okay? So möchten Sie. So you can say ich möchte im Haus wohnen. Ich möchte im Haus wohnen. I would like to live in house. So this way you can explain. You can say about this topic. Although there are so many ways that you can say, but this is the best way. You can speak very simple sentence, okay, and in very few words. Don't make mistakes, okay. Take care of the mistakes, that you do not make mistakes. Otherwise, there is a problem. So don't make mistakes. Just speak very simple sentences. Then your partner will get another topic. He will also speak about a particular topic. The topic will be different, okay. So you will be Okay, you will be speaking in front of teachers plus one partner, one another candidate will be there. So you will be speak there. So don't hesitate. Okay, just be very confident and speak whatever you want in a very simple sentence. And then your partner will get another blot, one more question, and then he will also be speaking, and you will listen to him. So likewise, there are many different topics on which you can speak. So I will speak about this topic, and then after that I will also make one more video on this Ask Why that you can watch and learn something. So in this video, that's all. I will make some other video, okay, on a different topic. So if you like it, please give your feedback in the comment box so that I can make another video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.